2016 Ram 2500 Crew Cab Laramie. Here is a nice truck. 2016 model, so a very new model. It's got a little bit more mileage at 156,000, but it's a one-owner truck. Runs and drives absolutely fantastic. It's got that big block 6.4 Hemi, just a monster of a gas engine. Very, very solid. Runs and drives great. Very mechanically sound. Loaded out with every option on this Laramie. It's got the front cattle guard, and just very, very clean all the way around. I'm just going to try and do a quick video walk around to this specific one, show you the ins and out of it, show you the blemishes, and just exactly what this truck is. As I mentioned, it is a 2016 model. It's the charcoal gray color, really, really sharp color. I think that's one of the best things on this truck. The charcoal gray metallic just really looks sharp. Moving up here to the front, this has had a full bumper replacement, Thunderstruck, cattle guard, bumper guard. Really, really makes this truck look sharp. Gives it a really great aggressive look. It's in nice shape. No paint chipping or anything like that going on. This does have the front parking sensors as well, and they replaced and transferred those over. So very, very high quality system. They did a great job with that. Looks great, and is a great add-on on this type of truck. Coming down the passenger side here, it's in nice shape. Doesn't really have any blemishes on this truck. The paint and body are just really, really straight all the way down. Looks like we have one small little PDR right there that can be taken care of and taken out. Just very, very clean. Sitting on the nice 20-inch Laramie wheels. Very, very clean. No major rock rash or anything crazy. Down low, all of your nice chrome labeling right there. The hood and whole top end are in good shape. No hail in the truck. Very, very clean on the top. Coming down this driver's side, it's in good shape as well. Just nothing major on this truck at all. I mean, it really shows pride of ownership. Just very, very clean all the way down. Look at the tailgate. Bumpers, they're all in good shape. Does have the full-size receiver hitch, rear parking sensors once again. Does have a backup camera, spray and bed liner. This does not have any gooseneck or fifth wheel equipment in it, so that's always positive because you know this truck wasn't doing any heavy hauling. Laramie, you do get the full LED tail lights and turn signals. Nice upgrade there. Tires are in nice shape. BFG KO2s, very, very high quality tire. They're not brand new, but still have lots of tread life left and look great. Very, very high quality tire. Pull out great, sound great. Don't have any road noise or anything like that. Jumping on the inside here. Inside's in great shape. Carpets and all the leather is in great shape. The side saddle here, no major creasing or soiling. The edge here is not cracked. Heated and cooled leather seat. All the perforations are just in great shape. A little bit of light creasing there. A little bit of light creasing here just to show that it was worn. The driver's seat is really the one that shows the worst, that's in the worst shape. This does have one little spot right here, but it would easily clean up. Full automatic headlights, automatic high beams. All your steering wheel controls here, cruise control. In Laramie, you do get the upgraded gauge cluster with the full LCD digital display that you can go through lots of different options and information about the truck. Of course, a clean and clear dash. Nothing crazy going on. I'll do a quick key cycle here, or button cycle, I guess, since this is a push button smart key entry truck. It does have remote start, of course, and everything like that. Press the brake, press the button. Fires right up. This does have the 8.4 UConnect Infotainment System. It does have a backup camera, navigation. Very, very user-friendly system. Very responsive. Very, very quick. Lots of options. AM, FM, XM radio, AUX, USB inputs. Just very, very responsive. Gets you lots of controls. You can go through and select about anything you want outside of the regular options. Change the settings of the truck. Dual automatic climate controls, heated and cooled seats, like I mentioned. Does have a heated steering wheel as well. Your front and rear parking sensors, factory trailer brake, your four-wheel drive. This has the Alpine Sound System, just a really, really great sound system. So it's very, very nice up here. Look in the back seat. Back seat's in great shape as well. The back seats and passenger side seat don't really show much wear at all, so probably very, very light use. Probably a one-man truck type of thing that just put on a lot of highway mileage. Just really, really no wear on these. These are heated back here as well, so that's nice for the winter. One thing I love about Ram is you get these under carpet, in carpet storage bins that you can put ratchet straps or tools or something like that. Very, very user friendly there. These seats do pop up both sides and give you a full flat load area. Go ahead and jump around to the passenger side and take a look there. And the passenger rear seat, once again, just in really, really great shape. Just no major wear anywhere. And the passenger side seat, very, very clean. It does have all the carpeted floor mats that are in great shape. Full-size house plug right there. All the books, dash, and everything's in great shape. So just somebody that took real pride of ownership in their truck. Go ahead and pop the hood so we can take a look under there. As I mentioned, this has the big 6.4 Hemi V8, 410 horsepower, 430 pounds of torque. Really, really moves this truck down the road. I was very impressed by it. Everybody just shouts and claims, oh, get a Cummins because of all the power, but this is a very viable option for a gas truck. They do a great job with this big of a truck. This one is very, very straightforward under the hood. Nothing crazy going on. It runs great, sounds great, very smooth, no crazy noises or anything. Starts great in the cold. Just very, very clean, straightforward under here. It's an option that I think a lot of people don't realize, just because they're afraid of the fuel economy. But what I've found is you can buy a lot of fuel for the price that a Cummins truck would run in comparison. This same Cummins truck would easily be $10,000 to $12,000 more, and this one is no joke on the power. It really does a great job. So this truck is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Miles in person. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're just a small family dealership. We've been here about 20 years. So this is a nice truck. It won't last. It's a hard truck to find. So thanks so much for watching.